We are constantly improving our software. So in this short video, I will show you how to update your WOWCube system. All you need to have is a smartphone and the WOWCube system. Okay, you need to go AppStore and search for WOWCube. You'll see the WOWCube Connect. Download it. Okay, now start the application and turn the cube on. Connected, pair, and let's start. So you need to find the firmware update in the very bottom and press the download and install. To install the software, you need to charge your WOWCube and leave it on the dock station. Okay, in the very end of the process, you'll see this error. Just ignore it. Your cube is up to date. It's fine. No need to press the try again. So you just close this window. This is the fake error. Your cube is up to date. Now you need to wait until your cube will update each of these modules. So you can turn off the smartphone and just wait while your cube will update it. Okay, you're now up to date.